Hello students, today we are going to study about the concept trigonometry. The word trigonometry consists of three parts: trigonometry. Tri means three-sided figure, gona means sides, and metry means measurement. In this branch of maths, we are going to study about the sides of triangles. Actually, in our 9th and 10th standard syllabus, we are focused on only right angle triangle for this trigonometry part. So, what do you mean by right angle triangle? If one of the angle is of 90 degree, then that triangle is called as a right angle triangle. And the side opposite to 90 degree is called as its hypotenuse. So, within this triangle ABC, if the measure of angle B is 90 degree, then the side AC will be its hypotenuse. Now, let's focus on particular angle, means angle A. Suppose the measure of angle A is theta. So, with respect to this angle A, which will be its opposite side? Opposite side of angle A will be BC. So, BC will be its opposite side, and which will be its adjacent side? AB. Actually, for this angle A, two sides are adjacent side, but out of that AC is the hypotenuse, so which will be the adjacent side? AB. So AB is the adjacent side with respect to angle theta. Okay. Now in trigonometry, basic 6 ratios are there, and they have 6 formulas. How to keep in mind this 6 formula? By using only 6 letters, which are that O, H, A. Along with this, what do you mean by O? O is the opposite side, A is the adjacent side, H is the hypotenuse. Now, what will be the formula of sine? Sine is OH, means opposite side upon hypotenuse, and that of reciprocal of sine is the cosec ratio. So, what will be the cosec ratio? HO, means hypotenuse upon opposite side. Next ratio is cos ratio. What is the formula of cos ratio? AH, means adjacent side upon hypotenuse, and reciprocal of cos is sec. So what will be the formula of sec ratio? HA, hypotenuse upon adjacent side. Next, tan ratio. OA, means opposite side upon adjacent side. Reciprocal of tan ratio is cot ratio, AO. So adjacent side upon opposite side. By using this 6 letter, we can keep in mind all these 6 formula. Which are that 6 letters? OH, AH, OA. Yes. Let's find out all these 3 ratios, basic 3 ratios within this triangle ABC. Suppose the measure of angle A is theta. So what is the sine formula? Sine theta is OH, means opposite side upon hypotenuse. With respect to angle theta, means if A is theta, which will be its opposite side? BC, and which will be hypotenuse? AC. So that's why sine ratio is BC upon AC. Next is cos ratio. What is the basic formula of cos ratio? It's AH, means adjacent side upon hypotenuse. So with respect to angle theta, AB will be its adjacent side and AC will be its hypotenuse. So cos theta is equal to AB upon AC. Next is the tan ratio. What is the formula of tan ratio? OA, means opposite side upon adjacent side. With respect to theta, BC will be its opposite side and AB will be its adjacent side. So that's why tan theta is equal to BC upon AB. Thank you.